Operate input devices. First is mouse. You position the mouse in start menu. It's on the left side lower part of the computer. And then on its right side, you type control panel. And then select hardware and sound. Add a device. Now, there's also a mouse. Slow, fast, you can adjust. And there's configuration if you need adjustment. Okay. Then next is keyboard. If you have a regular computer, the keyboard should be away from you. There should be enough space and minimal bend wrist. Yeah, where you can place your document in front of you. Next, there's computer function, shortcut functions that you can use. There's F1 if you need help. And then there's Google Chrome help. But you can use the space beside the start menu if you are trying to find or search something on the computer, but if not, you can use F1 for shortcut. Control F1 or Shift 1? F1 lang. Google Chrome help. In my case, I position the icon in Chrome and then select F1, and then this Google Chrome help appeared, and you can research on what you need to find in the computer. You can also use shortcut functions such as Control A if you select all. Wait, I have a resume here. You can use Control A if you want to select all of the letters and whatever in the A4 paper. Control A. If you want to save, Control S. Save as. That will appear on your screen. And then if this title objective, you want them to center this word into this left side column, you can use Control E. Then the word was adjusted to the center line. You can use Control I for italic. There's a slight tilt of the letters. And it's already in bold. Bold letters. And then just click undo. Okay. So I position it back by positioning the cursor to the undo property. Oh yeah. Oh no. Control P if you want to print, Control X if you want to cut, and then U for underline, Control U. Okay. Next, equipment fault report. You have to know the equipment name, identify, and then write them down in the equipment form, equipment fault report form. So there's the equipment name, the model number, serial number, date, contact person, and also assess if the supplier, if you need the attention of the supplier for the equipment, and also if the technician needs to come to the office to check on the equipment that needs repair. What else? You should also write the full description of the problem and location of the equipment. Say it's in building A, what room, or whatever that you need to identify where the equipment is located. Next is how to change cartridge. First, you say, I have an old printer here. Open the top cover. And then gently push the cartridge. I could not demonstrate because it has a problem and it cannot, this doesn't move the cartridge on going to the left, so I can gently adjust, gently remove by grabbing the cartridge and then removing it from the device. Same way if you would replace the cartridge, you just gently push the cartridge back to its position with correct orientation, and then close the printer, the top cover, and then test run the ink with the new cartridge. Yeah. Next, cleaning of monitor. When you're done with your function of the day,